around the time Trump became the nominee. And look, he very early on allied himself with Putin's policies. I mean, to pull out of NATO, for goodness sakes, right? And he, furthermore, has praised Putin. He seems to have this bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, got some water?
Yep.
Thank you. Thanks. Excuse me. I'll be right back.
Well, Maroon, you're up.
All electronic devices must be turned off. Wi-Fi will now be unavailable. Thank you.
Oh, poor Barb, that's never happened to us.
Never a private plane. You guys eat all the time. Every time I turn around, you guys eat.
Are you calling us like obsessed? Hey, Gerald. Are you still there?
I know nothing. But seriously, our sandwiches are right by that.
You can toss them at you. I've heard a lot of that. The internet has been into that for a while. Mine hasn't been. Was that the gag was happening? No, so no. Okay. Whoever's phones or recorders you have, they can call us before I ask the question. No, it's fine. I'm telling you. Oh, no.
That's me too. It's like, I don't know what other thing there is.
Is the Wi-Fi just gone? The Wi-Fi, are we below 10,000 feet? Oh, so I shouldn't sit here?
Mom, you're probably fine because
I'm in the middle.
you're like locked in.
Okay, cool. So I'm safe. Very good. They're not coming backwards. Right.
Hey,
Can we finish after
we're gonna land, and then she'll come back again. Okay?
Okay. We're gonna finish. Nightly news will not take place. Should I stay here? Not right
I can't
now.
sit on my lap because I want to ask a question.
What?
Everyone else is okay with me up, but I'm gonna try and get
But we can feed out what Paul shoots right now live. Once we land, we can feed that out live.
Am I still rolling?
Yeah, it's up here.
Hang on, am I still rolling?
I guess not.
One thing you know from my doctor's letter is I have seasonal allergies. So, yes. And we went back and looked. I had the same problem last Labor Day. I keep thinking that, I'm going to avoid it, but I'm going to go back to your question. Yes.
Getting to a yes, but I'm not sure. A yes that Trump is trying to give the election. I mean, Russia's trying to give the election.
Well, I'm not going to jump to conclusions.